Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we're all about making finance both simple and empowering. Now, let's get real for a moment. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a financial rut? You work hard, save your pennies, but somehow, wealth still seems like it's slipping through your fingers. Sound familiar? Well, the problem may not be your income, it's your mindset. That's right, your money mindset. What if I told you that changing the way you think about money could be the game changer you've been looking for? This isn't just about budgeting or cutting back on your lattes. It's about rewiring how you view wealth, security, and growth. Because here's the truth. Wealth isn't just about having money, it's about how you approach it. Now, you might be wondering, where do I even begin? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're talking about fixing your money mindset and, in the process, building real wealth. Let's kick things off with a quick fact. According to research from the National Endowment for Financial Education, nearly 70% of Americans don't have a written budget. And without that, they're stumbling in the dark when it comes to wealth building. But you don't have to be part of that statistic. In fact, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation for changing your money mindset and taking your wealth building journey to new heights. Let's start with this. Your thoughts shape your financial reality. If you believe money is hard to come by, it probably will be. But if you believe there's always an opportunity to grow, whether it's through side hustles, investments, or career advancement, you're already positioning yourself for success. Let's break down the steps. 1. Shift from scarcity to abundance. Many people are stuck in a scarcity mindset. They see money as limited, like there's only so much to go around. This kind of thinking leads to fear and poor financial decisions. Instead, think abundance. Opportunities are everywhere, and your financial situation can grow as long as you're open to new possibilities. Take Liam, for example. Liam always felt like he was living paycheck to paycheck. He thought he'd never be able to break free from the cycle. But when he started shifting his mindset to one of abundance, believing that there were always opportunities to improve his finances, he found ways to invest in his career and increase his income. Within a year, his savings doubled. It wasn't magic, it was mindset. 2. Educate yourself and take action. Knowledge is power, but only when you use it. Just reading books about wealth or watching videos like this isn't enough. You need to take action based on what you learn. This means budgeting, understanding investment principles, and most importantly, getting comfortable with risk. Take Amelia, who was terrified of investing in stocks. She thought it was too risky and complicated. But after reading up on the basics and understanding that long-term investing doesn't require constant monitoring, she took the leap. In just a few years, her portfolio has grown steadily. She learned how to manage her risk, and in the process, she's building wealth. 3. Commit to long-term growth. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The key here is consistency. Whether it's putting money into your retirement fund, saving for a down payment, or investing in stocks, the most important thing is staying committed and staying patient. Henry started investing small amounts in his 401k right after college. At the time, he thought it was a small sacrifice. But 10 years later, those small contributions compounded into a large sum, making his future far more secure. 4. Adopt a growth-oriented financial plan. Think about it. If you don't have a plan, how can you expect to succeed? A growth-oriented financial plan includes setting goals, creating budgets, reducing debt, and making investments. But most importantly, it involves assessing and realigning your goals regularly. Wealth building isn't static. It's about constant improvement. Noah, for instance, started with a goal to pay off his student loans and build an emergency fund. Once that was done, he shifted his focus to investing in real estate. Every step in his financial plan contributed to the next, propelling him forward toward his larger goal, financial independence. So how can you start today? The first step is deciding to think differently. Let go of the old beliefs that limit you, like money being scarce or wealth being reserved for a select few. Reframe how you see financial opportunities and start acting on what you learn. Remember, fixing your money mindset isn't just about changing your thoughts, it's about changing your behavior, too. And when you align your thoughts and actions, you can make true, lasting wealth a reality. Want more financial breakthroughs? Hit that subscribe button and don't miss the next steps in our series on building wealth. If this content has sparked some ideas, or you've already started shifting your mindset, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're taking charge of your financial future. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. If you're ready to take your finances to the next level, you'll love the next video. Click on the screen now.